Hello, good morning to all. Today I am going to demonstrate how to do the Jalanethi. For this, what are the things we need? This is the Jalanethi pot. It is readily available in the market. You can get it from any naturopathy shop. So this is called as a Jalanethi. Then I take some lukewarm water. The warm water, it's a plain drinking water. And this is the rock salt. I take some rock salt. I will show you. So this is the rock salt. You can able to see this, right? So I pour the rock salt into this water and mix it well. I mix the rock salt in the plain water, drinking water. Ensure the heat of this water is not to be too heat. So it's a lukewarm water. Just check it. Okay. Why we are adding this rock salt in the water? This is help to. Is there any infection in your internal nasal passage? That will help to cure this. Okay. So I mixed this water, rock salt, mixed water. This is the Jalanethi pot. I just pour this water in this pot. Okay, there is a level indication is mentioned here. See, you can see this. Okay, once you need to just ensure this level, you need to fill the water for the one side of your nasal passage. See, normally we are doing breathing in our nasal passage. So when you are doing this pouring the water in nostril, you are not able to breathe. So on that time you need to breathe through your mouth. So how you are going to breathe now? Through the mouth, like this. Like this, you need to breathe through your mouth, not through the nostril. Okay, this tip now you need to install in your nose. See, like this. Okay, you need to insert in your right hand side nostril and slightly bend your head and open your mouth and see how it's coming. Okay, I make the empty for one side, and after you pour the water in this right hand side nostril, like that, it will come through the left hand side nostril. Once the whole water, one nethi pot full water, once come out, now you need to sneeze your nose, and after that you do the Kapalabhati. This is forceful exhalation. Like this. So it will help to the excess water which is located in your nasal passage, that will fully come out. Okay. Well, like the same way you need to do it in the alternate side also. So again I pour the water in the nethi pot to fill up to that level. Okay, right? See, I can show you this. There is some step mark is there. No, up to this level you need to pour the water. Then only it will not come through this hole. If you pour fully, means it will come out. Okay, so up to this level you need to fill the water. And I am going to first I use this right hand side nostril. Now I am going to do in the left hand side nostril. Ensure that your head should be in this landing position like this, and you insert the tip of this nethi part here, the left hand side nostril, and open your mouth. Start breathing through your mouth, not through your and don't do this. Don't inhale through the nostril, then immediately the water will go inside. Okay, so ensure that. And once again I am doing this. First thing, I slightly bend my neck, okay, and open my mouth and start breathing by mouth. Okay, now I just keep this tip inside my left hand side nostril and slightly bend my neck and open my mouth and start breathing through the mouth. Okay, I make this empty, then I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Okay, then you can do this Kapalabhati. Okay, then wipe it in your towel, something from napkin. Now you can feel that full nostril passages get free. You can able to do this. You can do it daily, no problem. But at least try to do it weekly once. That is very good for you. You can recover your nostril without from the infected areas. Okay. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Thank you.